Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a really working and legit method that will help you create your own coin on the Solana network and make sure sniper bots and traders start actively buying it. This video could be called a guide to creating a rug pool on Solana, but remember, this is all for entertainment purposes and I'm not responsible for what you do with this information. Alright, let's get started. I asked an AI how to create a coin on Solana and make it get mass bought, and I got a big instruction, but overall it's all very easy here. As you know, both bots and experienced traders, when analyzing a coin, first look at the address that created it. And this method will involve what's called substituting the coin's metadata, meaning we'll make it seem like the coin was created by an address that holds a huge amount of Solana, or we can just take any address of a major trader and use that. So, as you know, big coin launch platforms like Pump Fund, for example, don't have the ability to substitute the creator's address. That's why we'll be using a special service that supports this feature, LUNA Launch. This platform allows you to create any tokens on the Solana network and completely substitute the data, which is exactly what we need. I'll leave a link to LUNA Launch in the description and in the pinned comment, so be sure to check that out. Alright, we've gone to the platform and all we really need here is create token. So we click the button and we land on the LUNA token creation page. Perfect. I have some token information saved here. You won't have that, but it doesn't affect anything. As you can see, there are fields like the token's name, its ticker, description, and so on. To be honest, it absolutely doesn't matter what name and description you use because, as I already said, the most important thing is the creator address substitution function. For example, I'll create a token with the name Frog. Here you can also add social links and tags, and I've tested this. It actually works and gives the token even more reach, so you can enable that. You can also enable the LUNA liquidity pool, but that's for larger launches. Alright, the most important part is to enable this creator's info function and paste any major Solana address into it. I'll leave a few addresses I've successfully used in the description and pinned comment. You can enter any name. Sniper bots usually only analyze the address. Also, make sure to enable these three functions: revoke mint, revoke update, and revoke freeze. This is very important. Alright, the very last thing is our Solana address that will receive all the tokens after the launch. I'll go to my Phantom and copy it. Alright, as soon as we've pasted our Solana address, we hit launch token. And boom, we have a QR code and an address for payment. With our settings, creating the token will cost 0.6 Solana. So I copy the address, go to my Phantom, paste the address, and we send 0.6 Solana. Excellent. Now we wait for the coins to be sent and go back. Alright, we've paid for our token creation and now we click Check Transaction. Perfect. The token was created successfully and sent to my wallet address. And now for the most interesting part, I'm going to Dex Screener. And here's our coin that we created. Look at the chart and the buys section. As you can see, snipers and traders are actively buying my coin because they think it was created by a different address that holds a huge amount of Solana. And as you can see, we only spent 0.6 Solana, and there are already many purchases of $300, and they're not stopping. One time, I managed to pump the market cap to $1 million with this method. So now you could just do a rug pull and sell all your coins. But as I already said, I'm showing this for entertainment purposes and I'm not going to do that. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. I'd be happy if you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you all later.